I've made thousands of dollars this month using ChatGPT, and in this video, I'll be teaching you some of the methods I use to generate hundreds of dollars every day. ChatGPT has become a popular tool for a variety of applications, including content creation, chatbots, and more. We'll explore 4 exciting ways to make passive income with ChatGPT. These include selling prompts, making fitness plans, creating prints, and tutoring services. Method 1. Making money with ChatGPT prompts. ChatGPT prompt packages are predefined sets of prompts that are used to generate text using OpenAI's GPT language model. These packages provide a starting point for generating text on specific topics or themes. They can be used to generate text for various purposes, such as content creation, copywriting, and marketing. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first thing you'll want to do is choose a niche or topic that you want to create prompts for. This could be anything from productivity to mental health to relationships. Consider your targeted audience and what they might be interested in. Step 2. Create a list of prompts. Once you've chosen your niche, start brainstorming ideas for prompts. Think about questions your audience might have or scenarios they might encounter. You can also browse social media, forums, and other platforms to see what people are talking about and what questions they have. Step 3. Write your prompts. Once you have a list of ideas, start writing your prompts. Keep them concise and to the point, but make sure they're engaging and thought-provoking. You can also add in some humor or pop culture references to make them more relatable. Step 4. Package your prompts. Now that you have your prompts written, it's time to package them for sale. You can create a PDF document, a printable sheet, or even an ebook. Make sure your package looks professional and eye-catching to attract potential buyers. Step 5. Market and sell your prompts. Finally, it's time to market and sell your prompts. You can promote them on social media, through email marketing, or even through paid ads. Consider offering a discount or a limited-time offer to encourage people to buy. Overall, selling ChatGPT prompts can be a great way to generate passive income. Just make sure you choose a popular niche, write engaging prompts, and market them effectively. Method 2. Selling fitness plans. Selling fitness plans with ChatGPT is a free and easy way of generating passive income. I'll be guiding you step by step on how you can do this with ease. Identify your target audience. Before creating fitness plans to sell, you need to figure out who your target audience is. Are you targeting beginners or experienced fitness enthusiasts? Are you targeting a specific demographic, such as women or seniors? Once you have identified your target audience, you can tailor your fitness plans to their needs and interests. Create fitness plans. Once you have identified your target audience, you can start creating fitness plans. These can range from simple workout plans to more comprehensive plans that include nutrition and lifestyle recommendations. Make sure your plans are effective, safe, and provide value to your target audience. Package and price your plans. Once you've created your fitness plans, it's time to package them into a product that you can sell. You can choose to sell your plans individually or as a bundle. When pricing your plans, consider the time and effort you put into creating them, as well as the value they provide to your target audience. Market your plans. Now that you have packaged and priced your plans, it's time to market them to your target audience. You can promote your plans on social media, through email marketing, or by collaborating with influencers in the fitness industry. Make sure to highlight the benefits of your plans and provide testimonials from satisfied customers. Automate the sales process. To make passive income from selling fitness plans, you need to automate the sales process. This means creating a system that allows customers to purchase your plans without your direct involvement. You can use platforms such as Shopify or ClickFunnels to sell your plans and automate the delivery process. In conclusion, selling fitness plans can be a great way to make passive income. By identifying your target audience, creating effective plans, packaging and pricing them, marketing them, and automating the sales process, you can create a system that generates income for you without much effort. Method 3. Tutoring. Before offering tutoring services with Chat GPT, you need to identify the area you want to work within. I suggest going on to tutoring sites and finding out the subjects and areas most in demand. Once you've found your preferred area, you can tailor your tutoring services to meet the needs of your target audience. Create tutoring prompts. Once you've identified your expertise, you can start creating tutoring prompts. These can range from simple practice problems to more complex prompts that require critical thinking and analysis. Make sure your prompts are challenging, engaging, and provide value to your students. Package and price your tutoring services. Once you've created your tutoring prompts, it's time to package them into a service that you can sell. You can choose to offer your tutoring services on a per-prompt basis or as a package that includes a certain number of prompts. When pricing your tutoring services, consider the time and effort you put into creating them, as well as the value they provide to your students. Market your tutoring services. Now that you've packaged and priced your tutoring services, it's time to market them to your target audience. You can promote your services on social media, through email marketing, or by collaborating with influencers in your niche. Make sure to highlight the benefits of your tutoring services and provide examples of how they can be used. Automate the sales process. To make passive income from tutoring with Chat GPT, you need to automate the sales process. This means creating a system that allows students to purchase your services without your direct involvement. You can use platforms such as Gumroad or Sendowl to sell your tutoring services and automate the delivery process. In conclusion, tutoring with Chat GPT can be a great way to make passive income. By identifying your targeted niche, creating effective prompts, packaging and pricing your services, marketing them, and automating the sales process, you can create a system that generates income for you without much effort. Method 4. Print products. Another way to make money from your AI-generated graphics is to create print-on-demand products. This means that you create a design and then upload it to a website like Zazzle, Teespring, Printify, Redbubble, or Cafe Press. These websites will then print your design onto a variety of products, such as t-shirts, mugs, posters, notebooks, and phone cases. You'll earn a commission on each sale. Here are some examples of AI-generated artwork created, shown on print-on-demand products. In conclusion, there are many ways to make passive income with ChatGPT. Whether you're interested in creating a fitness plan, doing tutoring, or any other of the areas untapped by ChatGPT's unlimited potential. Subscribe if you found this video valuable, as we'll be going in depth on some of these methods in our next videos.